Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. Now in this video today we have a special collaboration and it's called the Porch Refresh Collab, and that's hosted by At Penny's Place. Okay, so the co-hosts are Marlene from Marlene's How To's, Clarissa from A Cozy Lifestyle, Mary Precious Jones Huntsville, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, that's me, and Buckeye Girls Recent Things. Now I'm going to be linking the hosts and the co-hosts down below in the description box along with the channel links. I'm also going to be linking the playlist, so make sure full watch the video, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to that playlist to see how everybody refresh their porch. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video. I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all you who have been with me for a while or even from the very beginning, I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. Now remember to click that like button because every time you do, you help YouTube to notice me just a little bit more. So heading on over to the video, I am on my back deck over here. I decided to set up a dining table for two with the scenery, with everything blooming. It looks gorgeous. So I'm using the color sage, and I'm also using a vase that I had DIY'd with crushed glass in the sage green, which came out absolutely gorgeous. I'm also using the florals from the Dollar Tree. I'm using some thrifted items and some items that I purchased from Hobby Lobby. Now starting out with the tablecloth, I believe I thrifted that at the Salvation Army. Now the runner on the table I got at Hobby Lobby for a great price, and that is in a champagne color. Now this set of little votive candles and the candle holders, I purchased that at the Dollar Tree. So now the chargers that we'll be using today, I purchased at the Dollar Tree. And the dishware also came from the Dollar Tree, and it's also trimmed in gold. The cloth napkins I thrifted also, and then the dresswear on the napkin I got from the Dollar Tree. Now here we have some utensils already inside of the sleeve with a napkin. All I did was embellish the outside with some roses that I purchased at the Dollar Tree. I'm loving the way these coasters came out. This was a DIY that I purchased the items from the Dollar Tree. So now these beautiful wine glasses I purchased way back at the Dollar Tree, and then the water glasses I thrifted. Now what we're doing is we're going to go ahead, light all the candles, and then we're going to walk around the table to see all the items. My first time dining for two outside. Let's go over to the reveal. Now I do want to take a moment and thank the hosts and the co-hostesses for hosting this collab. I'm loving the outdoors. I'm loving the dining for two. I'm loving the candles. Everything just looks so romantic. Okay, so now let's take a closer look at the table. We're going to start out over here with the cloth napkin. And like I said before, I thrifted that item. I believe it was in the Salvation Army. And then the tie for the napkin, I actually got at the Dollar Tree. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? I love it. So now the dishware and the chargers I got at the Dollar Tree also. And these are really beautiful because they're white and they're trimmed in gold. And of course the charger's in gold. Okay, now normally the Dollar Tree carries these napkins. Like I said, the utensils inside the sleeve are usually in silver, but I switched them out for gold ones. And then I placed that little rose in the center just to give it that little something something it needed. So now moving over or taking a closer look at that wine glass. Isn't that absolutely beautiful? I love it. And like I said, the coasters I DIY'd and those came out gorgeous. And then the water glass I thrifted also from the Goodwill. So from the scenery to the table to the colors to the dishware and candles, everything just came out fabulous. And I hope that you agree. So if you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys.